Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting yourself and the project. Respirator on, gloves, goggles, and drop cloths down. Pour paint into the sprayer cup and thin only if the manufacturer says to. This controls atomization. Once filled, set pressure medium to low and test spray on cardboard from 12 inches to check pattern and flow. Adjust fluid and fan controls until you get a steady, even mist. Make sure the nozzle is clean before the main pass and keep the gun moving. You'll want to work in controlled, overlapping strokes to avoid runs. Hold the sprayer 10 to 12 inches from the surface and move smoothly parallel to the area. Once done with one pass, step over half the width for your next pass to overlap by about 50% so the coat blends. Adjust speed, faster for light mist, slower for heavier build, and maintain the same trigger rhythm. Make sure to back off if you see drips and correct pressure or distance before continuing. You finish by checking coverage and letting the coat dry per instructions. A second, lighter coat is often better than one heavy coat. If you notice orange peel texture or runs, wait until it's dry enough to sand lightly with 320 grit, then reapply a thin mist coat to level the surface. Make sure to clean the sprayer right away. Flush with solvent, remove and soak the nozzle, and dry parts before storing. This prevents clogs and keeps performance consistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.